So this is an electromagnetic field tester, a portable electromagnetic field tester. So now let's try to measure the electromagnetic field emission of Airdog units. So first let's turn on the magnetic field tester, and then we can see the background. It's about 0.06 microwatts per square centimeter. And we will double check, we'll take the tester to the outside, and then we can see the ambient is also around 6 or 7 microwatts per square meter. And now we will bring the tester back to close to our air purifier. So actually we put it at the exhaust of our air purifiers from the X3, X5, and then to X8. So we can see actually at the Airdog exit, the electromagnetic field tester has no difference compared to the background electromagnetic field that we've been testing initially. So this shows you electromagnetic field of the Airdog. It's really safe device. You might wonder, maybe this is a broken tester. So let's test it, a normal electronic device that we use every day of your cell phone. So you can see actually when the cell phone, before it got connected, that's the highest electromagnetic emission. So the numbers goes up to 45 also. And when the phone get connected, so it's about 20 or so. So then when we hang off, it gets back to the background of